My name is Mrs. Young. I like to make videos to teach you new things and to help you remember the things you already know. I'm glad you're here today.
Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? I hope you are all doing great. Happy New Year! We have started a new year and our new year is 2025. We finished 2024 and we finished that whole calendar, 12 months. And so today we are starting our new calendar for 2025. And today is Tuesday, January 14th in the year 2025. I have to get used to saying that because I was in the habit of saying 2024. But 2024 is finished. So today, guys, I would like to say a very happy birthday to one of my very, very good friends, Jimmy. Happy birthday, Jimmy. I hope you have a great, great day, and I will see you soon. I also want to wish very happy birthdays to my friends at DQC. There are a lot of people having birthdays this month at DQC. Happy birthday, John. Happy birthday, Michael. Happy birthday, William. Happy birthday, Adrian. Happy birthday, Brandon. And happy birthday, Jackie. Well, guys, we are in the month of January. Today is Tuesday, January 14th in the year 2025. And the only holidays that we had this month was, so far, New Year's Day, which was the very first day of January. And then coming up on January 20th, we have Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And that is a day to recognize all the important contributions and achievements of Dr. Martin Luther King, who wanted peace and freedom for everyone. So we want to be sure to remember Dr. Martin Luther King on January 20th. Okay, so guys, I was thinking, in many places it's wintertime and it's cold and it's snowing. Not where I live in Florida, although it did get a little bit colder the past couple of weeks, but in other places it's very cold and snowy. And sometimes when there's a lot of snow, you can pack it into a snowman and you can, touch it and feel it. But then sometimes it's icy, like the ice that's in your freezer, and it's slick and slippery. And then sometimes the snow and the ice melts all together and it's just slushy and watery. That got me thinking that today's lesson is going to be about matter. And matter is what's all around us. It's everything in our world. There are 3 forms of matter, and sometimes the forms of matter can change, just like the snow and the ice. So that is what our lesson is going to be about today. Okay, guys, are you ready? Here we go.
Look all around you. Everything you see, feel, taste, or smell is made of matter. Anything that takes up space is matter. Matter is all around us and it comes in 3 forms: a solid, a liquid, or a gas. A solid has a shape all of its own. Clothes, buildings, rocks, anything you touch that is solid is a solid. Solid things are everywhere. Matter can also be a liquid, like water, but it does not have a shape of its own. A liquid takes the shape of the container that it is in. Matter can also be a gas. A gas doesn't have a shape of its own either. The air we breathe is made of different gases and it is everywhere. The cool thing is that we can see matter change. We can see liquid change into a solid when you fill an ice cube tray with water and put it in the freezer. The liquid water turns into solid ice. When you take the ice out of the freezer, it changes again and turns back into liquid. You can also see matter change from a liquid to a gas. If you put a pot of liquid water on the stove to boil, you can see the steam rise. The heat changes the liquid water from a liquid to a gas. So remember, everything around us is made of matter. it takes up space, and there are 3 forms. Do you remember what they are?
Okay, guys, so I hope that you learned some things about matter today. And do you remember the 3 forms of matter? If you said solid, liquid, and gas, you are right. Very good answers. So guys, I wanted to tell you a little bit about my YouTube channel. In the years 2024 and 2023, I was making videos 1 time per week, every Tuesday. But starting in 2025, which is our new year, I'm going to be making videos once a month. So, at the beginning of every month, which would mean that's the first week of every month, I will make a video. So for January, I was a little bit late on getting the video out at the beginning of the month. But for February, my plan is to get the video out on February 4th, the very beginning of the month. And we'll talk about the holidays coming up in February, and we'll talk about birthdays coming up in February, and we'll have a lesson. And that's what we'll do for the rest of the months of the year, the very first week of the month. Okay, guys? Okay, so if you have anything to say, please send me a comment or an email, and I would be happy to email you back or send you a comment back. And as always, I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a wonderful week. I hope you have a marvelous month, and I will see you in February. Bye.